Hey community, welcome back. And if this is your first time, I'm Dr. Blaire, a doc in clinical psychology, and on this channel we discuss psychology, inspiration, social justice, and all topics in between. Today, I just have a very quick message for you, a message specifically for the women. Hey queen. Hey girl. Hey you. Girl, what's up? Where you been? Lady. Hey girl. Yes girl. Hey ladies, if you might wanna get bucked. You. Yes, you. Listen up. You. You. You too. We need to talk. Hey girl. Let's talk. Come here. We need to talk. So, I've noticed a few things. You have been working relentlessly. You have gone through so much and overcome so much. I need you to stop for a moment and give yourself a round of applause. You deserve it. Yes, that's right. You deserve it. Now, while you've been out here trying to be Superwoman, I felt like you just needed a moment for somebody to remind you, you don't have to be Superwoman. So I want you to repeat this after me. I don't have to be Superwoman. Good. You don't have to be Superwoman. Now here's the twist on this. Say, I don't want to be Superwoman either. So busy trying to do everything on your own, but you don't have to. You have a community around you. And if you feel like you do not have a community around you, then you can develop a community around you, because we can do this all together. We can support one another. We can collaborate with each other. We can link up with each other. We can root each other on. We do not have to compete. All we have to do is to continue to go after the things that we are seeking. And it feels so much better to do it when you have a network around you who is working and grinding just as much as you. Now, while you're doing all of that work, remember, take some time to rest. You don't have to do it all. And you don't have to grind every single day, all day long. Sometimes the work is requiring yourself to take a rest. And then get up and continue to work later on. But don't forget, you don't have to do it all alone. I just wanted you to know straight from me that I am proud of you. I look up to you, and others do too. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Share out of celebration of Women's History Month. Don't forget to share with the woman next to you and the sister on the other side. But nonetheless, make sure you celebrate the woman that is in the mirror and remind her not only that you can do it, but you can rest as well. And it's okay to do a combination of both when needed. So before you go, remember, if I'm great and you're great, then we're a great community.